If your Flojet pump fails to turn on, first check the factory-specified electrical components.
Trace the red positive power wire coming directly out of the motor. About 4 to 12 inches away from the motor, you will find a small plastic cylinder or rectangular fuse holder in line. Twist or pull the plastic capsule housing apart to expose the fuse inside. Pull the fuse out. Look closely at the thin metal filament inside. If that wire is broken, blackened, or missing, the fuse is blown. Replace it only with the exact amperage rating specified on your pump's product label, typically a 10 amp or 15 amp fuse. If a brand new fuse blows instantly the second you turn the power back on, inspect the visible wiring for short circuits. If you can't find any damage, the pump must be professionally serviced. Remove the small screw on the pressure switch cap and lift it off. Gently pull the two wire spade connectors off their metal tabs and touch them together. Turn the power on to the pump. If the pump turns on, that means the pressure switch was the problem and should be replaced.
Set your multimeter to 20 volt DC if you have a 12 volt motor, or 200 volt DC if you have a 24 volt motor.
Leave the pump wired up and the power switch on. Look at the pressure switch. Ignore the red wire that runs back to the motor. Instead, follow the wire that runs to your inline fuse holder. That's your incoming power leg. Touch a red multimeter probe to that wire. Slide a sewing needle into where the black wire connects to the back of the motor. Touch the black probe to that needle. If your meter reads 12 to 13 volts, power is successfully reaching the pump, meaning your wiring and fuse are fine, but the internal motor has failed. Check our other videos for how to fix those. If your meter reads 0 volts, power is not getting to the pump. Your problem is upstream. Check your battery bank, main breaker panel, power adapter, or main switch.
Great job fixing it yourself!